Hi guys! Welcome to my very first vlog. So, di pa ako marunong, pero I'll try my best. So, nandito kami ngayon, hindi ko alam, in the middle of the ocean kasi mag-check-in kami dito for an overnight stay. And this is like, from all the places I've been to, I can say na this is one of the best talaga. As an island girl, as I am, parang super happy ko lang kasi I get to experience this kind of a view. Wow!
Umiyak dito!
Oh, dito nga!
Dito siya umiyak, promise. Ay, grabe yung ano.
Wow!
Oh, nandito siya sa taas.
Hindi ma-justify ng camera.
Bal na kasi yung nakakasal.
So, this is our room. And medyo makalat na siya. So, we will go out in the balcony. And look at this. This is my view. Sure guys, so pakita ko muna sa inyo yung outfit ko. Kasi pinaghirapan ko to. Charot. So, this is my outfit. So guys, it's currently 5:20 p.m. here in Vietnam and 5:30 kailangan naming umakyat kasi parang may sunset viewing that time. Say hi. Serve na daw yung 6-course meal namin. And first time kong mag-fine dining. Like, yung legit fine dining talaga. Thank you!
Are you serving single shot of wine? Single serving?
Tingin, nakita. Ito walang adult talagang medium well. Matibling. Hi guys, so we're here na sa room. Dito lang muna kami. Meron pala silang isang parang place lang dito sa Halong Bay na parang magpa-park lahat ng cruise ship. And dito na mag-overnight. Tomorrow, maaga yung itinerary namin. 6:30 a.m. merong Thai Thai class. Super sulit ng $180 for this trip kasi super unforgettable niya and ibang experience talaga siya. World class. Dapat meron kaming massage pero we canceled it kasi nga super full na kami. Hindi na namin kaya. Baka kung ano pang mangyari.
Step for hiking up and 200 simple step, and we have about 50 minutes to visit the supply gap, and this is only one way. When you come into the going down, you can return here and come back here.
After 30 minutes of walking, hi guys, so we're about to check out dito palitan. And dito na kami ulit, going to Hanoi. Bye-bye! Back to stress! Let's go! Are you ready guys?